What if you could create a polished web page, a complete slide deck, or even an interactive prototype without starting from a blank canvas or writing a single line of code? No complicated layers, no endless manual adjustment. Just describe your idea and refine it through conversation. Now, that's exactly what Claude Design allows you to do. In this video, we are going to break down what Claude Design is from the chart and live canvas to its simple creative loop. Describe, generate, and refine. We'll also explore the different things you can create, the features that make the platform powerful, and how you can take your work from an initial idea to a shareable design or developer handoff. And by the end of this video, you will know how to turn a simple prompt into something you can see, interact with, refine, and share. Also, if you're interested in mastering the future of technology, then the professional certificate course in generative AI and machine learning is the perfect choice for you. This is offered in collaboration with Enized Academy IT Kanpur, and it's an 11-month live and interactive program providing you hands-on expertise in cutting-edge areas like generative AI, machine learning, and tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E 2, and Hugging Face. You'll be gaining practical experience to 15 plus projects, integrated labs, live master classes delivered by esteemed IT Kanpur faculty, alongside earning a prestigious certificate from IT Kanpur. You will receive official Microsoft badges for Azure AI courses and career support through Simplilearn's Job Assist program. So guys, hurry up and enroll now. Find the course link below in the description box and in the pinned comment. But before we get started, here's a quick quiz question for you. Which of the following can you create using Claude Design? Only written documents, only static images, presentations, visual designs, and interactive prototype, or only spreadsheets? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now let's get started with the demo part, and here I have logged into my Claude Design. You can see, so you can search the designs from here. You can see the interface. It says start from anywhere, slides, you can create a prototype, product wireframe, doc, resume, PDF, animations, blank canvas. Basically, you can start from scratch from here, and let's see how it really works, because I've heard a lot of hype about Claude Design. So you can also see your designs if you have created before. You can actually have a look at your designs here. And these are few of the design systems which we had created before. The examples, you can see from here the text particle effects. This looks amazing to me. App onboarding, it has created. You can look at this, the designs which Claude Design has actually made it. Cosmic scale animation. So when I play on this, you can see the result. This is how it looks like. And this is the text streaming effect as well. And you can also basically use the prompt from here. It has given you a template. This is the calculator construction kit. You can see this is a globe loader again. Here you also have this globe loader. This is iridescent card as well. And just look at the animation. It's so amazing. When I hover around, you can actually have an animated effect. So this is really cool. There's some shader wallpapers. You can click on liquid chrome, gravity, grid, and just look at the quality. And these are some of the organic loaders as well. So how it works is when you click on hover on it, it will basically load it. So I think it goes on to some advanced level designing, which would definitely take months or days to create it. And now you can be doing it by using Claude Design. So let me click on start anywhere from here. And I have my product basically. So I'll be just attaching few of the reports. And I have a skincare brand. So let me just upload it. So I've basically uploaded all of my images needed. And now you can just give some prompt here and start with it. So here I have my prompt ready, and I've told Claude Design to basically design a product landing page for Lumina Skin Radiance Glow Serum. This is a palette, the color I wanted to use. So you can actually provide some color palettes. It would basically help you to get an idea of what colors you're basically targeting, what would be visually more attractive. And then you've got the radiance accent to use the cream, the hero sections. I've mentioned everything, CT, and also I want some of slow shimmer sweeps animation, keeping it motion soft and slow. So you can actually select the model as well, and let's see what is this. Now this is the audio section. Claude wants to use a microphone. You can basically narrate the prompt, and you can attach the few files and refer using Claude Opus 4.8, and this is best useful for your complex task. And now we'll click on start the project. So it's taking some time to load. You can see the agent mode working at the left hand side, and the right hand side we've got the canvas, right? So let's see how it comes up with. You can also open a file from here. At now it says no file open. You can click on new blank page and open it. So let me just keep it as it is for now. So guys, as you can see that it has now created a landing page for me, and this is the product. It has also added some of the animation effect when I hover on it, and it's also checking for some design, checking the design for issues. All right, this looks good to me. And yeah, this is the landing page. It must have added for few more images as well. I think it's working on that. So let me just attach a few images and tell it to add these. So I'll be telling add these images as references and also add some animations as well in my design. Again, I'm gonna send it. All right, so again, I have given the changes, and now you can see that it has added our collections and the elements of the radiance. You can see used for cleaning, applying serum, moisturizing, and the landing page looks better than before. Let me first present it in this tab or in full screen so you can have a look at the collections. And this is the collections here, the application, the benefits. When you click on shop, you can actually shop from here. And so this is the landing page which it has generated for me, and it looks pretty cool. All right, you can also add some markup here, edit it, add some tweaks, comments if needed. And this is how basically you can create your designs, the landing page and designs in Claude Design, right? Now, let's go back here again. I'll say add and shop, repeat, add a product image at first of the landing page after the title radiance glow of my serum and animate it. All right, so now as you can see, it has added an image here, the product image, which does not fits here, but let me just view it in a tab. All right, and this is how your image would look like, and it has also added some animations as I have told to Claude Design. So whenever I hover on the images as well, you can see the pop-up animations coming. This looks good to me, and I think this is a better page. And I think this landing page is better, and you can just give few corrections needed, or else if you want to again have some changes here, you can give it to the agent and you can get the corrections done. So guys, I've showed you how you can start with a file here, right? Now let me show you one more thing, how you can actually create slides using Claude Design as well. So again, you have to just upload a doc. So let's suppose I have my doc ready here, and I have product images as well. So I have just attached the images here, and I've given a prompt to actually create a 6-slide brand deck for Lumina Skin, the palette to be used, the title name, the collections, what we speak to, voice and look, tagline close, and keep each slide minimal, one idea per slide. And now let me just hit on enter. So it says now I'll be creating a premium Lumina Skin brand deck design component with all the 6 slides using the palette and aesthetic you specified. So let's wait for a few more minutes. So you can see that it is working right here and it's still creating it. So you can just have a look at the designs, and the font looks good to me. Now again, the Claude has given me this result, so I'm just going to view it, present it again in this tab as well. And this time I've given a very dark theme, as you can see, the collections, what we speak about, voice and look. And yeah, this looks pretty decent to me, but then again, I had much more expectations from Claude Design, but then this looks pretty simple. Next, let's go back again to the home page and click on prototype from here for clickable, this thing, repeat, for clickable prototypes. So I'll just click on Claude Design System from here. All right, so this is the Simplilearn's design system. I'm not going to use it for now. Let me just give some prompt. So I'm going to click on design system from here, click on done. Okay, so it's going to basically view me that what all do we have. Screenshot, code base, Figma. So you can actually import your Figma files as well. Create interactive prototype for my brand, and I'm going to give the file basically the PDF of my report. So it's basically running a different approach to read the PDF. Let's wait for a few minutes. So it's asking a few questions. So what features are you looking for? Shopping, before, after gallery, blog, product browsing and filters. What type of prototype do you need? So I basically need for marketing, website and landing page, or you can say customer dashboard. So I'll be needing for product showcase. Let me click on that. Primary brand color, gold warm. Describe your brand, but you can just enter it from here. It's not that needed. Then you've got the brand tone, natural, clean, playful, fun. Click on continue. So I'll be providing the answers here in the chat as well, that what brand colors and everything I need. So I've just given. Okay, it says now it has got a much more better idea about it. So now as you can see, the interactive prototype is now ready. We'll have a view. This is the card section added here. So it's taking again time to actually design it. Let us wait for a few more minutes till it's done. So you can see nothing has been added to our card. And to present it, I'm just going to click on present in this tab. So this is not needed. I'm going to cross this section for now. So here you can have a look at the interactive dashboard for my e-commerce platform it has created. And this looks fine to me. Again, if you have any changes, you can give it to Claude Design and you can get it ready. You can also edit it from here as well. So this was the interactive brand prototype which it has created for me. Next, we've also got this animations blank canvas. So let's just click on animation and check on some videos or anything. So it says describe what you want and let's do that. So I've given a prompt on a near black canvas, animate the word vitamin C, green tea, revealing with glowing gold particles. And let me just attach reference of my project, the images again. So I'm going to send it here again. So it says, let me create a sophisticated animated video featuring vitamin C, green tea with the glowing particles on the dark background. So here, as you can see, I cannot see any animated images or any icons as well, but then it says the animation is clean. But I think there is some glitch with the problem with the animation. So now as you can see, my design is ready and you can see the animation effect hovering here. Let me just present it as full screen. And now you can see it's showing some of the shimmery, shimmery glowy effect in golden. So it is not that up to the mark, but I think it still needs some of the improvement here. So guys, this was in short how you can use Claude Design. There are multiple options here again. So you can just go everything step by step and have a look whether you have to create resumes, PDFs, product wireframes. And that's Claude Design. You now know what it is, a visual workspace where you can transform ideas into designs by collaborating with Claude. We have explored how the platform combines conversation with a live canvas and follows a simple creative loop: describe, generate, and refine. We have also covered how to generate your first design, apply your brand style, refine individual elements, compare different directions, leave comments directly on the canvas, build interactive prototypes, and prepare your work for export and handoff to Canva and Claude Code. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more such tutorials like these. Thank you for watching.